Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Misty and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. I feel like I should make an excuse of why I haven't posted in a week, but at the same time, it's life. My husband and I got sick last week. I swear, somebody in my house has been sick for the past 6 months at all times, and then the baby's teething anyway, and my husband was home from work, and if my husband's home from work, I do not film. That's just how it is. I don't want my filming to interrupt my family life, and that's my choice. It's my personal choice, so I have not filmed. But we are back today, so we're going to start off by doing our, what is this? Our Glow Addict Beauty Bag. Glow Addict Beauty Bag is a monthly subscription. It's $13.99 a month. You do pay shipping. I did check my statement. It was $16.02 after shipping. You receive, I believe it's 5 to 6 beauty items per month for $16.02. And they've only been full size thus far for me. This is my third month. So they also offer the Glow Addict Beauty Box, which is $15.99 a month. It's $18.99 a month, I believe. Plus you pay the shipping and you get 6 to 7 full-size items. And that's what I know. So I did tear it open so you don't have to hear that horrible noise. Oh, I have not peeked yet. I peeked online. They did sneak peeks, and one thing I knew a couple things. Let's just put it that way. I'm excited because they put it on a Glow Addict Beauty Bag. Okay, so I love these bags. They're kind of like little pencil pouches that you would get for school, but they are they have little heart bubble poppy thingies inside, like the plastic, not in the bag, but in between like the walls of the plastic. And now they've put in their emblem on them, so it says Glow Addict Beauty Bag. And I really like these because I think these are great for traveling. So I really, really like these. You guys, I love this subscription. First of all, I just want to say I really, really, really like it. I was tempted to upgrade this month because they had great stuff in the box. They had a contour and highlighting palette. They had a beautiful eyeshadow palette I really like. They had some great stuff in the box. But my whole thing for my channel is bargain beauty deals. And so my aim is to only bring you affordable under $20 subscriptions, aside from my Boxy, which is $21 and up. I'm trying to keep them at $15 and under, and this one is under $15, but you do pay shipping, so I'm rambling. I know. You're like, just get into it. So let's just hop in. As I see a little sneak peek right here, so we do have an eyelash curler. I have an eyelash curler. This is kind of bulky, and look, it doesn't close. I mean, it feels sturdy. I'm going to say this. It feels sturdy. It looks kind of cheesy and cheap. And look at, it just stays open like this. So storing it would be kind of a hassle. But I mean, it's an eyelash curler. We just got one. No, I didn't get one, but people got some in the Ipsy. The one that was in the Ipsy, I have one identical to it that I got from the Dollar Tree. Anyways, next in here we have the Body Blends Face and Chest Mask with Australian pink clay. Let's open it up. Look at how thick it is. Ooh, it has like a floral scent, so it's very thick. It has like a rose scent, so that's cool. It says ingredients: Australian kaolin, titanium dioxide, bentonite clay, glycerin, vitamin E. Anyways, those are the first. Apply an even amount on the face or chest. Leave for 15 minutes and wash off. Patch. This is cool. So there's a clay mask from Body Blends. You guys, you remember when I did that just horrific advent calendar? I'll leave a link to that video below. I believe this is the same brand because the packaging looks identical. Okay, next we got, oh my god, that clay, the Revlon Waterproof Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. This is the first, known brand we've ever got. It's usually indie brands, but I love a mascara, and I don't have a waterproof mascara at this point because I don't typically buy them, so I'll get some use out of it. Let me know if you've ever used it. Next, we have the NYX Butter Balm, and I got Lady Fingers. So this, this is another well-known brand. Again, like I said before, I've only really seen indie brands in here, so, and that's kind of what I like to get, indie brands. So it's just a tinted gloss. I got lipstick on, so I'm not going to put it on, but let's put it on the back of our hand. It's not too tinted, but that's a nice little, it says Lady Fingers. All I can smell is that clay mask. That's it. Okay, now the sneak peek I did see was that there was a Crown Brushes eyeshadow palette. But I don't have that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Ruby May Cosmetics. Ruby May Cosmetics is one of my favorite indie brands. I love their eyeshadows. And a palette that they had in their subscription is actually what got me to subscribe back in April. So I'm super happy I got this and not the Crown Brush one. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is a Ruby May Cosmetics. It's in summer palette in Summer Love, and it's a 15 color eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's pretty. It is gorgeous. Look at it. Oh, I'm so happy. I would way rather have this than the Crown Brush one because I love Ruby May, which I'm sure I would have. I like these colors, but I'm so excited. So that's awesome. Let's swatch a couple. I'm gonna have to swatch them here, guys, just because I did get that clay. Actually, I could probably swatch on this hand. We're gonna swatch on this hand. Let's do this purple. Okay, I'm gonna do the shimmer. I'm just gonna do 3 colors just so we can like get an idea. So, okay. So this purple is Lollipop. Ooh, okay. This is a shimmer hunter green. It's Hashberry. Oh, it's Hashberry. And then this is Love. It's like a brick rust color. Oh, okay. You know what? I want to kind of, this one's 1967 and it's kind of that hunter green again, but this one's matte. Okay, I see. Okay, I didn't put very much on because I was using my pinky, but that's what it looks like. That's like so deep, it's almost black. I'm covered in eyeshadow. So, again, this was $13.99 plus shipping, so $16.02. And it's the Glow Addict Beauty Bag. And I got for $16. For $16, I got a 15-pan Ruby May Cosmetics palette. I got a Beauty Blends clay mask, wash-off clay mask, a NYX Butter Balm, a Revlon waterproof mascara, and an eyelash curler. You guys, for $16, this eyeshadow palette, I believe is like, well, they're like $25 on the Ruby May website, so that's cool. And then this is like, what, $8? Probably $2, $3, probably $3 knowing NYX. And then an eyelash curler, a couple bucks. That's the only thing I will say that I'm not that thrilled about with Glow Addict is they don't put an insert telling you how much the products are. Now, I love Ruby May Cosmetics, so I am familiar with this palette. So I actually know I don't have it, thank goodness. But so now I have 2 Ruby May Cosmetics palettes. That makes me so happy. I'm growing my collection with indie brands. So let me know if you get Glow Addict Beauty Bag. So funny. If you're interested in getting it, let me know. I will leave a link down below. It's not an affiliate link. I get nothing. I don't get extra points. It's just so you can click easily to easily access their website. And they have great stuff. I can't believe for $16 I get, what, 5 full-size products and this awesome bag. Like, I love the bag just as much as I love everything else. So I'm so excited about that. I love everything. So I love this company. I think they're great. I'm really impressed. And you guys, this came on the I got this on the 8th. So it came it's my first thing I got. So I'm impressed with how quickly they get everything here too as well. So I give this an A+. I will use everything that I got in here, and I'm really excited about the palette and the clay mask. So I love a good mask. I'll see you guys later. Bye!